Wolli Creek to North Sydney, direct, no changes? How does that happen? Let's find out. So the T4 Eastern Suburbs and Illawarra line, indicated in blue on this map, normally turns off from the main line at Erskineville and it heads underground via Redfern Central all the way to Martin Place, and then it's a mixture of above ground and underground to Bondi Junction. But on this weekend, this part of the T4 line was closed for track work, so T4 trains were terminating at North Sydney instead. So my name is Paul and welcome to Transport Vlog, and my direct train to North Sydney is currently on the Up Illawarra Local Line as it approaches Wolli Creek Station. As there are no platforms on the local line, this train has to cross over to the Up Illawarra line to access Wolli Creek Station platform. So now on board and leaving Wolli Creek Station.
Good morning customers, next stop will be Tempe, followed by Sydney, Redfern Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milford Point and then North Sydney. Next stop Tempe.
Now crossing the Cooks River.
Next stop Sydney, change at Sydney for your Bankstown line services.
So now leaving Tempe Station, and the train is going at a snail's pace. I think something is going to happen. So we're transferring back to the Up Illawarra Local Line. This wouldn't normally happen. The up and down Illawarra local lines are normally used by certain peak T8 services to and from Macarthur, and also New South Wales Trainlink services including the Melbourne XPT. So now leaving Sydenham Station, we're still on the up local Illawarra line. The up and down local lines here are also used by the T3 services to and from Bankstown and Liverpool.
Good afternoon customers, next stop will be Redfern, followed by Central.
Now coming through Erskineville Station. Just leaving Erskineville now, and I've slowed down the footage here. If you look over to the right, you can see the T4 tracks beginning to veer off, and eventually they will go underground. It is not possible to access these tracks from the up and down Illawarra local lines. You can now see the Everleigh Maintenance Centre on the right.
Now arriving at Redfern.
Now coming into platform 7 at Redfern. This is the normal platform that the T3 services from the Bankstown line use.
Also customers using Trackwork this long weekend, buses are replacing trains between Central and Bondi Junction. If you are travelling to Martin Place, please change at Central for a light rail or local bus service. If you are travelling to Kings Cross, Edgecliff or Bondi Junction, please change at Central for a Trackwork bus. Next stop will be Central, followed by Town Hall.
I was really impressed with the quality of the announcements from this train guard. Now slowing down in preparation for some junction manoeuvrings. The Up Illawarra line is joining us from the right. The approach to the Central Station suburban platforms has multiple grade separated or flying junctions. Generally, the down lines go under the up lines, as you can see here. So now coming off the Up Illawarra Local Line, And now crossing a line that connects the Up Local with the Up Illawarra Local Line. So we're now on the Up Local Line, which would normally be used by T2 services from Parramatta and Leppington. We now leave the Up Local Line and join the Up Suburban Line, which will take us into platform 16 at Central Station. This is the line that's normally used by the T1 and T9 services, and this will take us over the Harbour Bridge to North Sydney. So if you're still confused or baffled by what we did, then this map should hopefully simplify things. You can see the route that we took indicated in blue. At Central there was a changing of the guard, and the new guard doesn't seem as good as the old one and doesn't seem to know about the track work.
Next stop, Down Hall. Customers, please change at Down Hall for T4 Eastern Suburban and Light Rail trains. Thank you.
So from here we're now on the correct line all the way to North Sydney. Going over the Harbour Bridge, see if you can spot the Opera House on the right. Now coming into North Sydney Station, we're coming in on platform 3. North Sydney has 4 platforms, which makes it very helpful for terminating trains both from the south or from the north. And here are some more direct services going the other way to Sutherland and Cronulla. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was totally spontaneous, going from Wolli Creek to North Sydney direct, but these things are often possible on Sundays and public holidays, so I thought I'd give it a go. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and do leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. And do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.